Viewers, today's video how to see your Facebook, Gmail, Yahoo or other social media password if you forget, and any kinds of password you can see. So this method. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, also press the bell icon. So if you forget your Facebook, Gmail or any other password, don't worry friends. Today I show you the tricks how to know your password, forgetting password. Okay, for example, your Facebook password is lost. I don't show your this one. There is one of the Facebook account. I don't show the username. Just for example, if I click the I button, you see. I don't show the full one because this was the copyright claim. For example, if I click on here, you see there is a password arrive. For example, this one. This is a Facebook, okay, and I need the Facebook password, this one. So I show the little more, just few digits I show you. If I click here, you see the password. Okay, so how to do it? Let us start. So if you go to the Google first, then search GOOGLE Google Manager, MANAGER. Okay, then enter. After few seconds, you see Google Password Manager. Okay, after that it's loading because my again I said my internet speed is not so good, friends. That's why it's happened. So that you see password manager. Okay, if you want any kinds of password, here all password is stored here. Password manager, all kinds of password stored here. You see there is the internet password, there is AdFly password, admission password, AliExpress password, Amazon password. So how to know your password, which is your password? Okay, so I want to see my Facebook password. Scroll down, this is a Facebook. Okay, I click on here. Then you have to log in your Gmail first. Then next I log in my Gmail. After logging my Gmail, you see there is a this is a password. This Facebook has a password. If I click the I button, I see the password. Okay, and also copy the password as well. There is another username. You see if I click the I button, I see the password. I show the little bit more because if I show you the full things, maybe YouTube, there is no right to show the information. That's why I do not show you the information. Okay, you see, if I need any of this, I show you this little more. For example, I click the I button. You see there is a password appear. Little more password appear. Okay, so in this case, if I know my Yahoo or other password, you can know this method. For example, I back again, and if I know, for example, admission, this password. Okay, I click. For example, if I need this one, I click on here. Okay, just click on. So after few seconds it's load and you see the username and password. If you click the I button, you see the password. So in this way you know your password, forgetting password. I hope it's helpful for you. And other things you can know the password manager. If your password is strong or weak, you can see here. Go to the password checkup, for example, and check password. In this way you know your password is strong or weak. So I hope its video is helpful for you. Thank you very much. So here you show the 4 common password compromise password you have to change. There is 144 reuse password, and 226 account using weak password. So I have to change this. If I click on here, Okay, so I have to find out here. This is the unique password. I have to change it. If I click change, you can change your password. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.